Okay people, let's have a full top-down analysis from weekly to minute charts. I teach you the king of strategies, the best momentum scalping strategy. And I do not teach you new things. I teach the same strategy over and over. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's talk about this beautiful Kava setup to enhance your trading skills. This is a very nice example of how to use all smart money concepts with our best indicator. Let's do the top-down analysis first. For this coin, I will start analyzing from the daily chart because in the weekly there was nothing exciting. But the daily was a masterpiece. First of all, this little imbalance area at the bottom stopped all the sellers and ignited the first steps of the rally. And this gigantic daily imbalance above had this magnetic effect. All these are great, but what interests me the most is this failed imbalance right in the middle. This mega daily imbalance was not able to hold the buyers. Buyers destroyed this imbalance, and this gives me the main bias here. Buyers have this extremely high interest in this coin, a bullish bias. But what really matters is our momentum chart, of course. This is where we decide if we make a trade or not. By looking at this chart with our indicator, which is called ICT high time frame candles, I can easily see the possible entry point. If you check our indicator carefully, you'll notice a particular supercharged point, 4 time frames and 4 imbalance taps. Whenever I see this happens, I'm getting chills. It is the sign of our game being on, but making a specific entry depends on the low time frames. When we look at the low time frames, which I love the 5 minutes a lot, you can see this particular yellow point which determines our entry zone. This is the point of supercharge with the 4 different high time frames. Let's zoom in the charts within 5 minutes again to seek the entry. You can also notice here price also taps the 5 minute time frame here. An extra boost for us. Okay, everything is great up until now. Let's get back to the Smart Money 101. Do you remember the range and deviations? Yes, what happens here is a micro deviation area. Notice what happens inside the deviation. Structure breaks, gives us a nice imbalance for an entry. This is a very clean 2-hour trade setup, very classic price action. As you can see, your setup is this: neat and clean 2-hour setup. Get in and out without any greed. Rest of the journey is for only runners. I have no idea, zero idea, if the price would run to the daily imbalance or not. No one in the world knows the future. I have no idea. My job is, as a day trader, getting in and out. That's it. Okay friends, I hope that this video was educational. See you next time, and please take care of yourself. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you have improved your trading skills and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You'll learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. And we will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will also learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. You will discover the yo-yo strategy and the rally strategy with one free indicator. If you are interested, you can find the links on my website on the descriptions. Take care, my friends, manage your risks, and stay safe.